So South bids 3 no trump. And the opening lead is the Jack of Hearts. And now we see dummy. All right, so we're in no trump. We're going to put our net up here. This is our declarer's thought process. Number of tricks we need in no trump is 9. We're going to count our shore winners. Well, we can count 3 heart winners and 7 diamond winners, assuming either the Jack of diamonds falls or the diamonds are going to break. Somehow we're going to get 7 diamond winners. Could East have 4 diamonds to the Jack? Of course they could, in which case there's nothing we can do about it. So that is very unlikely, extremely unlikely. And we don't focus our energies on bad breaks like that. We just say to ourselves, let's assume we've got 9 of those diamonds, that we're going to get 7 diamond tricks out of here. So 7 diamonds plus 3 hearts is 10. But then that means we don't have to establish any for our contract, right? What is our technique? All right, our technique is going to be taking our tricks and running. Take tricks and run. And then the last T, the second T, is transportation. And this is one of the letters I say always, always, always take a look at before you play to trick 1, because that's our entry management, transportation. How are you getting between the 2 hands? If we do that on this hand, we realize we don't have a side suit entry to South's hand, and we don't have a little heart to travel over to enjoy the ace queen of hearts, right? So at trick 1, even though we can count 10 tricks, recognizing that there's an entry management issue from north to south's hand helps us out, because now we realize to get 9 tricks, we have to give up a trick, which is really hard, I know, because over tricks matter. But when you play a hand like this, where everyone else is going for 10 tricks and they fail to overtake the king of hearts, they're all going to go down. So making 9 tricks is going to be a top board. So on this hand, recognizing the entry management issue, we have to overtake that king of hearts with the ace of hearts, cash the queen of hearts, and then run all of those diamonds, right? 7 diamonds, 2 hearts, 9 tricks.